In this video, we will learn about 24-hour format and 12-hour format of clock and about traveling time and how to find the traveling time. Here you can see an example where you are said that you are traveling from Chittagong to Dhaka. You started from Chittagong at 10:32 am and reached Dhaka at 2:54 pm. You need to calculate the traveling time. How can we do that? We need to subtract the starting time from the ending time. Arrival time was 2:54 pm. First of all, while calculating the traveling time, the thing we need to keep in our mind that we must use 24-hour format. PM, while we use this thing PM, we need to add 12 hour to it. That means 2:54 pm in 12-hour format. In 24-hour format, it will become 2:54 plus 12:00. That means 14:54. This was in 12-hour format and this is in 24-hour format. So, arrival time, instead of 2:54 pm, we will write 14:54. And the departure time was 10:32. Therefore, what is the traveling time? We will subtract this from this. If we subtract 32 from 54, what do we get? We get 22. If we subtract 10 from 14, we get 4. That means traveling time is 4 hours and 22 minutes. This is our answer. This is the required time to travel from Chittagong to Dhaka.